Hello hustlers, and we're back today with a very interesting video. It's a slight detour from the usual eVTOL content, but anyone that was in the stream yesterday will know that we're now going to be doing stock analysis on shares that are suggested by you in our live stream for our Road to Glory. If you haven't seen the stream, make sure you give it a watch. We're doing $107 to $107,000, so it's going to be a fun ride. Now let's jump into the video. So in today's video, what we're going to do, we're going to have a look at Vertiv. Dylan Rogers, one of the valued members of our community, has selected Vertiv to invest in for the Road to Glory. Now, if you're like me, you probably haven't heard of Vertiv, so I wanted to do a deeper dive and find out what is this company all about. Vertiv is a company that plays a critical role in how our modern, interconnected world operates. While you may not see their name every day, their impact is everywhere. Hidden behind the scenes of technology and systems we depend on daily. So I guess you're all asking, what is Vertiv? Vertiv is a global leader in providing solutions for critical infrastructure. By that, I mean that they specialize in designing, building and servicing the foundational systems that ensure data centers, communication networks and industrial facilities function flawlessly. Their expertise is essential to keeping the digital world operational, whether it's powering a server, cooling a data center, or managing complex IT systems. But to understand why Vertiv is so important, we're going to have to take a step back and think about the world we live in today. We're surrounded by technology. Every second, billions of people are using smartphones, streaming videos, sending emails, making online purchases, and much more. But behind all of this lies an immense network of data centers and communication systems working around the clock. These systems don't just appear out of nowhere. They're meticulously designed, maintained, and supported to ensure that they can handle the demands of modern life. That's where Vertiv come in. Vertiv have 3 pillars of expertise, so let's go through them one by one. So first off, we have power management. It's arguably the most fundamental aspect of infrastructure. Imagine for a moment that you're running a massive data center. This facility is filled with servers and equipment that require a steady, reliable power supply. Even a brief power outage could disrupt services, leading to downtime, data loss, and in some cases, millions of dollars in damages. Vertiv ensures that this doesn't happen. They design uninterruptible power supplies, battery backup systems, and power distribution units that provide continuous power. Think of these systems as a lifeline for critical operations. If there's a power outage, Vertiv solutions kick in, keeping the systems running smoothly until power is restored. Their expertise extends far beyond data centers to industries like telecommunications, healthcare, and finance. For example, in a hospital, equipment like ventilators, MRI machines, and surgical robots rely on uninterrupted power to save lives. Vertiv systems ensure that even during emergencies, these devices remain operational. In the telecom sector, Vertiv support mobile networks that power your calls, texts, and internet browsing. They provide power solutions for cellular towers and network infrastructure, ensuring that connectivity isn't lost, even in remote areas or extreme weather conditions. The second pillar of Vertiv is thermal management. Now this is another essential aspect of critical infrastructure. Have you ever noticed how your laptop heats up after running intensive applications? A bit like mine after one of these videos. Imagine the same heat multiplied thousands of times over in a data center filled with high performance servers. Without proper cooling, these systems would overheat, causing failure and reducing their lifespan. Vertiv is at the forefront of thermal management, creating solutions that keep equipment at optimal temperatures. They offer advanced cooling systems from precision air conditioners to liquid cooling technologies, tailored to the unique needs of each facility. For instance, hyperscale data centers, those massive facilities run by the tech giants Google, Amazon, and Microsoft, generate enormous amount of heat. Vertiv's cooling systems are designed to handle this heat efficiently while minimizing energy consumption. This is crucial not just for performance but also for sustainability. So speaking about sustainability, Vertiv have made a significant strides in creating energy efficient cooling solutions. Traditional cooling methods can be energy intensive, contributing to higher operating costs and environmental impact. But Vertiv's innovation, such as economizers that use outside air for cooling, help reduce energy usage and carbon footprint. So thermal management isn't just about data centers. They've also got industrial settings. Vertiv's solutions protect sensitive equipment from extreme temperatures, ensuring smooth operations even in harsh environments. So last but not least, we have the third pillar, and that is IT management. While power and cooling are vital, they're only part of the equation. To keep systems running efficiently, you need an intelligent monitoring and management tool. That's where Vertiv excels. Vertiv provides cutting-edge software and hardware solutions that give business real-time visibility into their critical infrastructure. These tools monitor power usage, temperature, and overall systems health, allowing operators to detect and address issues before they escalate. Let's consider an example. Imagine you're managing a global network of data centers. Without the right tools, monitoring these facilities would be overwhelming. Vertiv's IT management solution make it possible to oversee all your infrastructure from a single platform. You can identify inefficiencies, optimize energy usage, and ensure maximum uptime, all while reducing cost. So now we've discussed the three main pillars of Vertiv's expertise. What are some of the other interests that Vertiv excel in? Vertiv invests heavily in creating solutions that are not only reliable but also energy efficient. From advanced cooling technologies to renewable energy integration, they're helping customers reduce their environmental impact. They're a pioneer in leveraging emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things to optimize infrastructure. AI-powered systems can predict equipment failures before they happen, reducing downtime and extending the life of the critical assets. So now you're probably asking me, what countries are Vertiv in? Well, they're actually a global company with a presence in over 130 companies. They've got a diverse workforce and extensive network of partners, allowing them to deliver solutions tailored to unique needs of different regions. Whether it's a data center in Silicon Valley, a telecom tower in rural Africa, or an industrial facility in Asia, Vertiv have expertise to support critical operations anywhere in the world. So at this point, you're probably asking, but who uses them? So we did mention before companies like Google and Amazon, but who else? But just before we jump into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. So what companies would I know that would be using this system? So the tech giants like Facebook, Google and Amazon rely on a hyperscale data center to store and process vast amounts of data. Vertiv's power and cooling systems are instrumental in ensuring the facilities operate efficiently and sustainably. They also operate in healthcare. Major hospitals will use Vertiv systems to ensure that life-saving equipment like ventilators, MRI machines and diagnostic tools remain operational even during emergencies. This reliability can mean the difference between life and death. And then last but not least, finance, where all the money is made. Financial institutions use Vertiv solutions to protect critical systems that can handle billions of transactions daily, safeguarding sensitive data and maintaining trust. So there we have it. It's more than just a company, it's actually a backbone to our digital economy. They power, cool and protect critical infrastructure that keeps the world connected, productive and innovative. From ensuring uninterrupted power to creating energy efficient cooling solutions and providing intelligent IT management tools, Vertiv works touch every aspect of modern life. Now if you've enjoyed this video and you want to find out more about Vertiv, we've got a video coming out tomorrow about the stock potential of Vertiv and where we see it going. And it'll be interesting for our Road to Glory to see how it's going to fare for us. Now if you haven't seen the Road to Glory, make sure you give it a watch. But that's all from me. I'll see you later.